Well, first tonight, all new at 6, there are calls in Cobb County for the Superior Court clerk to resign.
Now, some of the communities say she's responsible for a backlog of online court filings which have not been updated in months. 11 Alive's Paulo Soro reports victims and defendants are feeling the ripple effects.
If you head on over to Cobb County Clerk of Superior Court's website to search for court records, you're greeted by large black font stating the data available is through September 21st, meaning Superior Court Clerk Connie Taylor's office has nearly 3 months of court records that have been submitted but are not viewable online. As the clock ticks, family law attorney Randy Kessler says time is of the essence for attorneys and their clients.
People are waiting for their results. The anxiety just builds. And when people don't know what's happening, sometimes even a bad ruling, a negative ruling, it's better to know that than to not know what is going to happen.
Last week, Cobb Superior Court Judge Rob Leonard wrote on Facebook that this delay is forcing him to, quote, hold default judgments and bench warrants. Attorneys are not getting notices and addresses are not getting changed, adding that anybody with urgent filings should send a copy directly to his office. Marietta City Councilwoman Cheryl Richardson also reacting online, stating that as an attorney, this also affects her. She writes that Taylor needs to quit so that somebody else can, quote, come in, fix the backlog and other issues before they get worse.
It used to be I would go down to the courthouse, wait in line, and the clerk would stamp it that it's filed, whether it's the final agreement or the initial filing or the request for an emergency hearing. And it was almost instantaneous. So in some ways, that was better than electronic filing.
Kessler, who says Cobb has a reputation for having some of the best judges across the state, explains the backlog could be caused by many factors.
The funding, it might be that there's just not enough people to sit at the desk and to process. There's steps. When a case comes in electronically, you've got to check boxes. You've got to assign it to a judge. So there's a lot of coordination. Population growth, right? We're just getting more people, means more lawsuits. So it may just be the system's overwhelmed.
11 Alive has reached out to Taylor for comment and have not heard back yet. In Marietta, Paulo Suro, 11 Alive News.